The house is in western North Carolina, set in a wooded area. The home has a modern design with black siding, large windows, and multiple roof lines. The owners wanted a larger space to gather. Therefore, the enclosed porch expanded in length and width. Two design intents were proposed by recommending wider steps, raising the ceiling height, lightening up the color of the walls, ceiling, and floor. Then from the porch, you can go outside to the large deck. The large deck was enlarged and more space was provided to barbecue and to go down the steps. The second design opened up even more by providing a window to the side and also having a sliding door and adding sliding doors to the indoor, making it an open space. It was beautifully designed for the indoor-outdoor space. Some of the key features in the design was to keep the elements of the existing structure, including the carport ceiling wood. Another key element was the connection to the outdoors, providing a spacious layout for the outdoors and a gathering space around the fire. We redid the whole landscaping and added a more gradual slope. As you come up to the house, you notice the spacious steps. They're concrete steps so that it's safer to go up and down. A small path to the back of the creek. As you go up, you have a sliding door, and you can see how the flooring and walls are more neutral with colored tile flooring complements to complement the wood panel ceiling and stone of the accent wall, which is the fireplace. It adds the mix of warmth and texture to the space. The furniture and design of the space is furnished so that it can have cozy seating, in some areas a chessboard, adding a playful and inviting touch to the space. The space is multifunctional. The layout includes separate zones for watching TV or lounging and socializing, catering to different activities indoor and outdoor. The space really gives off a modern, rustic vibe, perfect for hosting and unwinding in a serene environment.